What's up everyone, and welcome back. If you own a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and you're looking for an ultra-thin premium case, you've probably come across these two options, the Spigen Air Skin Aramid and the Pitaka Edge. Both promise premium materials, a minimalist design, and almost no added bulk. But despite looking similar on paper, they actually feel very different once you start using them. Let's begin with the design because that's the first thing you'll notice. Both cases are incredibly slim and let the Galaxy S26 Ultra keep its premium look. Neither one tries to hide the phone behind thick plastic. The Pitaka Edge has a more refined and luxurious appearance. The carbon fiber weave is extremely precise and has a premium finish that immediately stands out. Everything from the camera cutouts to the side profile feels carefully engineered. The Spigen Air Skin also looks fantastic. It has a clean minimalist design with a matte aramid texture that gives it a stealthier appearance. It's less flashy than the Pitaka, but still looks very premium. Personally, I think the Pitaka looks slightly more elegant, while the Spigen has a more understated industrial style. Build quality is excellent on both cases, and honestly, neither feels cheap in any way. However, in Pitaka case, some users have reported that the Edge case may have occasional quality control issues, such as sharp or rough edges. These reports appear to be random rather than affecting every unit, so your experience may vary depending on the individual case you receive. It is not my case though. This is where the biggest difference appears. The Pitaka Edge almost disappears once it's on the phone. It feels incredibly thin and comfortable, almost like holding the Galaxy S26 Ultra without a case. The rounded edges make it very comfortable during long periods of use, especially when browsing or watching videos. The Spigen Air Skin feels slightly more substantial. It's still extremely thin, but because of the texture and edge design, it gives you a slightly more secure grip. If your priority is comfort and elegance, the Pitaka wins. If you value grip and confidence while holding the phone, the Spigen has the advantage. One of the main reasons people buy these cases is to preserve the original feel of the phone. Both are among the thinnest premium cases available. Neither noticeably increases the phone's dimensions, and both keep the Galaxy S26 Ultra feeling surprisingly slim. Neither case is built for heavy drop protection, but both do a great job preventing scratches and everyday wear while keeping the phone slim. The Pitaka feels smoother and more premium in the hand, while the Spigen's textured finish provides noticeably better grip. If secure handling is your priority, I'd give the edge to the Spigen Air Skin. If I had to choose, I'd pick the Pitaka for its premium craftsmanship, elegant design, and incredibly slim in-hand feel. Ultimately, both are excellent ultra-thin cases. It just depends on what you value most. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like and subscribe for more future content. Let me know in the comments, which case would you choose, the Pitaka or the Spigen? Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.